Good morning, teacher. In this video, I'm going to present my dialogue about TV interview, Live at the Top. The first character is Alex. He is the journalist, professional, curious, and energetic. The second character is Jordan, the celebrity, a famous singer-songwriter. Alex say, "Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the big stage. I am Alex, and today we have a very special guest. She has won 3 Grammys, and he has just finished a world tour. Please welcome Jordan. Jordan, it's an honor. How are you?" Jordan say, "Hi Alex, thank you for having me. I am doing great, honestly. I have already finished the most exhausting part of my year, so I feel very relaxed now." Alex said, "I can imagine. You have already accomplished so much this year. Your new album reached #1 in 10 countries. However, I heard you haven't released the music video for the lead single yet. Is that true?" Jordan said, "That's right. We haven't finished the editing yet, but it will be out next week. On the other hand, I have already started writing my next book." Alex said, "You are so busy. Let's talk about your journey. How long have you been a professional singer?" Jordan said, "Well, I have been in the music industry for 12 years. I have lived in Los Angeles since 2015, but it wasn't always easy." Alex said, "Tell us about the beginning. When did you record your first song?" Jordan said, "I recorded my first demo in 2012. I didn't have any money back then. I lived in a tiny apartment and worked as a waitress to pay for the studio. In addition, I traveled across the country in a broken bus to perform at small cafes." Alex said, "That sounds like a major life-changing event. Did you ever feel like giving up?" Jordan said, "Sometimes, however, I won a local talent show competition in 2014, and that changed everything. A producer called me the next day." Alex said, "Have you ever performed at the Royal Albert Hall? That is a huge achievement for any artist." Jordan said, "Yes, I have. I performed there last summer. It was a dream come true. I have also won Artist of the Year twice, which was a huge milestone for me." Alex said, "Incredible. And how long have you played the guitar? You are famous for your solos." Jordan said, "I have played the guitar since I was 6 years old. My father taught me the basic chords when I was a child, and I haven't stopped practicing yet." Alex said, "What is one thing you haven't done yet but really want to?" Jordan said, "I haven't acted in a movie yet. I received some scripts but I haven't found the right role yet. And of course, I want to start a charity foundation soon." Alex said, "Well, I'm sure you will succeed." Jordan, "Thank you for sharing your life experience with us today." Jordan said, "Thank you, Alex. It was a pleasure." Thank you, teacher.